So guys, may nagbigay sa akin ng mga damit. So ito po yun. So yung nagbigay is yung kapatid ko. So tingnan natin kung anong laman niya. So this one muna. Actually, kung may magbigay sa akin, tumanggap naman ako and syempre super thankful, and at the same time, ako naman din, magbigay naman kaya ako ng mga gamit. It's not about na kailangan bago yung ibigay. Mga damit na hindi mo na kailangan or hindi mo na nagamit. So this one, napakalimuot. So ito. So ito naman, okay naman yung tela niya, at saka di siya alimuot, di ba ma? Kay masudang hangin. Ako daw guys.
Makasimba pa ka.
Yay! So ito gusto ko. And this one, ano po ito? So humok siya, para siyang ano, pwede to. Namin naman, para siyang ako na nasa kasya ko to. Wow, it's color black, so nice. Super gusto ko siya dahil straight yung ganito niya. And then napaka black, napaka colorful. Wow, talagang ito yung gusto ko. Hindi siya ano maong. This one pa, ito pa yung binigay niya. So cute, gusto ko to. I like it. So mamaya suotin ko to. Try ko. So next naman ito, jogging pants. So ito naman talagang gusto ko to. Syempre pang travel, pang biyahe, hindi magaan siya, magaan. So kaya mo siyang i-travel. So this one. Oh my goodness, napaka white. Oh no, ba't ang white? Super white niya. Talaga, you know what? Super gusto to ng mama ko. Super white niya. Ito yung gusto ng mother ko. Napaka white. Wow, so cute yung white. White pants. So ito para to sa mama ko. Dahil siya po ay nag-iibang religion na. Grabe naman to. The design is very white and very black. Super kapal. There's one jacket. So ikikip ko lang to. Pwede to pag pang gabi na. Paggabi. Cute naman ito. Napaka-cute. And yeah. Oh my goodness. This is for my mother. Ibigay ko to sa aking ina. So ito ibigay ko to kay mama. No? Tcharan! Ay, ano tong palda again? Akala ko ano. So ito gusto.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you?
So, ayun na nga. Super thank you sa aking sister sa mga binigay sa akin na damit. So, thank you so much. Super na-appreciate ko and sobrang gusto ko naman. And you know what? Sa pagbibigay, it's not about na kailangan bago, kailangan hindi pa nagamit. Kailangan mamahalin, hindi ganun. So, yung pagbibigayan is about love. It's about love and concern. Like, hindi yan sa padamihan or it's not about the price. So, yung pagbibigay kasi, it's about effort, love, and yung care. So, ganun yung mga blessings na ibinibigay sa akin. So, thank you so much. And thanks for watching. Everyone, please subscribe me. So wait lang, merong bangko kasi merong bangko so yung anak ko kailangan pupuntahan.
So I'ma figure out what else to succeed and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell can make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. I don't give a fuck, I keep chasing. They tell me that I'm I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna